Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe, and in this video I would like to show you how to remove your rear door panel. So let's start. It's actually a simple procedure, everyone can do this, so don't be afraid. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this lid right here in the handle. Okay, so I already opened it. You can open it with any, like a little hook, a little screwdriver, just get it open. Okay, next thing, under this cover right here, let's get it out. There's a little this rubber piece. We have a screw, so we have two screws, 1 and 2. So let's start by taking them out. Okay, I got 1, 2 screws right here. Next step, we have to remove this cover here. Okay, so grab something like a screwdriver. You guys here for a second, and over here we have a little gap. Get it in, just to make sure you can grip with your hands. Once you can grip with your hands, just disconnect, just remove it from there. Okay, so at this point we have everything out what we have to get, and right now the panel is being held down by clips all around the perimeter. So I have to warn you before you do this, 99% you will break some clips after doing this. If you don't really bother about it and you want to continue, let's go. So now we have to do, we just have to take the panel off from the door. And how we do this, just put it here. Over here I'm grabbing, we're trying to find some grabbing point, and you can also take a screwdriver or something and try to, over here, try to explain you, over here, get your screwdriver in and up, carefully, gentle as you can, remove and disconnect the panel from the door. So let's do this. It's good to use some screwdriver or something. It's better to use some plastic part, plastic door trim removal tools if you do have them. Knock them up. Okay. All right. So yeah, this is how it looks when the clip goes. Okay, so I lost 2 clips in this case. I don't know, well, it's not that too bad. Yeah, if you really want to get some clips, you can go to the dealer. They cost like less than 50 cents a piece. I mean, it's not a biggie. Next step, if you have to remove, right here we have a pin, a little pin. You press on it and we remove the handle. Press the middle piece and we are all set. Here we have our door panel, and here we have all the goodies we have to get to. And at this point you do whatever you have to do. Here's your window motor, regulator, speaker, handle, whatever you need to change. Yeah, and now let's put everything back together. To put everything back together, we connect the handle. Simple, just slide it in and click. Then we'll connect the connector. After that we put the top first, put the top on first. Okay, so make sure there's no gap here. Good. The remaining clips, align remaining clips with the holes and click the panel back in place. Okay, so not too bad. Next thing, we have 2 screws. Actually, we can put this thing first. Just click it in like this and put 2 screws back in place. Once we're done with the screws, close the lid, and here we have to put this piece like this. Okay, and that's it. That's the whole thing. Very simple, as you can see. Hope this helps, If it does, please guys press like button and have a great day. Bye.